Quick Fingers Art. Hello kids, welcome to Quick Fingers Art. Today I am going to draw helicopter, so let's start. I am drawing thick outline. Now I am using yellow color.
Won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing?
Now I am using sky blue color. Now I am using purple color. Now I am using green color. Now I am using pink color. Now I am using red color.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.